Welcome back to my channel. I am Isabella OKJ on Instagram, TikTok, and on YouTube. Do well to subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for tuning in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back here to watch me talk. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about some of the hygiene tips you actually didn't know before, or things that you actually didn't think they were that important, but they may actually be the reason why you actually have been visiting the dermatologist, buying expensive skincare products, and visiting the dentist, going to the hospital for one thing or another. It may actually be you may actually be your own problem. So let's get right into the video. First thing I'm going to be talking about is your toothbrush. Now, your toothbrush, some people, after actually brushing their teeth, they take that toothbrush and they put it inside a container and they actually cover it up. What you're doing is that you're actually providing a very safe and conducive environment for bacteria to actually grow in and cause you dental cavities, cause you a lot of things, dental caries in your teeth, and then you're visiting the doctor. Oh my god, I don't know why my teeth is decaying. You are actually the cause of your own problem. You're injecting bacteria into your gum, into your teeth, and then the next day you just pick it up and you just put toothpaste. Some people don't even go as far as not even rinsing it first. Even if you rinse it, you're going to be using cold water, right? Running tap water. And let's not even get into the fact where the tap inside the tap will actually be dirty, and then you put on the tap water and you just you brush through the brush and then put it in your teeth, and then this is clean. Some people put it inside one bottle and then you cover it up and tomorrow you bring it out and use it. That is so wrong. Don't do that. Please put your toothbrush in an airy place. Just put it in a cup wherever, any storage place. But make sure that the parts that you use inside your gum is aired. Now, another thing we're talking about, this is for my girlies, it is your undies. Washing your undies with your other clothes, whether you like it or not. This clothes that we wear has a little bit of bacteria. No matter how much you wash it will still have more bacteria, and that bacteria is not what you want to put into your vagina, right? So washing your undies with other clothes, your undies with other clothing is just a no. You're supposed to wash your undies in the bathroom. You don't put them together with other clothes and then when you're about to wash, you just gonna pack all of them and then you put it into the machine. You're supposed to wash your undies immediately you take them off. It is very, very hygienic to do that. Washing them with other clothes is like transferring more bacteria from those clothes into the undies. Please wash your undies separately today. Another thing I'm going to be talking about is air drying your sponge and your towel. Some people put their towel and their sponge in the bathroom. Some people hang it on the door. After having your bath, you just spread it on the door or you spread it somewhere. Some people even put it inside their wardrobe. Really? You put it in the hanger and then you hang it in your wardrobe and you close the wardrobe. And tomorrow you can't draw it out and use it. Yes, it may be dry. Yes, as per your serving the purpose of it being dry. But what you do not know is that it is harboring bacteria that the sun outside or drying it outside could have killed. Right? You do not spread your towel. Do not spread your towel at least outside the sun after you're done having your bath, and your sponge. Don't spread your sponge inside the bathroom. It is a conducive space, like I said earlier, for bacteria to breed and grow and have children on your sponge. So please do well to spread your sponge outside. Another thing I'm going to be talking about is using the same towel for your face and for your body. I know we may have heard this one, but girl, that is so wrong. I mean, look at it. You clean every part of your body and then you use the same towel for your face. Some people still do this even up till now. You think some people will say, "Oh, I'm going to clean my face first," but you forgot that was the same towel you used yesterday, and the same towel you used the first day, and the same towel you've been using for a very long time, and you probably not even wash that towel for like a very, very long time. Probably not even wash that towel at all. It is so wrong. If you must use a face towel, use a face towel. Or better still, in my opinion, I really feel like you can use a paper towel to actually clean your face and then dispose of it, because using a face towel too can actually harbor bacteria and harbor things that can actually make you have acne, especially if you're acne prone or you have a sensitive skin, right? I feel like you should use a paper towel, because using a face towel on your face is just not right. The same face towel, like consecutively, you don't wash it. If you want to use a face towel, have at least 4 face towels that you can alternate within the week while you wash the other ones. It is just better for you, because you keep using skincare products. You buy Polar, you buy CeraVe, you keep pumping your money into skincare products, but you are the cause of your own problem. You are using things that you're supposed to use on your face. So please do well to wash your towel first of all. Exactly, wash it often, and do not use the same towel for your face and for your body. And if you must use a face towel, please do well to have at least 4 and please do well to sterilize them well. Make sure they are in a very good condition before you can use them on your face. Or best option is to just make use of paper towels, right? That is just much better. It absorbs water and then you just get to dispose it. Another thing I'm going to be talking about also for my girlies is using tissue after urinating in the bathroom. You don't use tissue to clean up after urinating in the bathroom. You're not supposed to do that. It is just a very big harboring point for bacteria, for fungi. You're always treating yeast infections, and you're like, oh, I don't have any sexual affiliations with anybody. I'm not doing anything. I do not know why this is happening. So people don't even clean up at all. Now those people, that gang of people, we're still coming to people that you don't even use, you don't clean up yourself after urinating. You people on your special case on your own. But you see people that now actually want to actually just, do the hygienic thing and clean up. Please stop using tissue. Sometimes those tissue debris can even get stuck in your vagina, and then it's so nasty. Just don't do it. The best option to use is wipes. Make use of wipes. If you cannot use water, as per water is going to maybe make you wet and make your clothes look very somehow, you can just use wipes. Wipes does the job. And please do not use strong scented wipes. Don't use wipes that even have scent at all. Use wipes that are non-scented. They don't have scent. Don't guys say, oh, Isabella said I should use wipes, so I'm just going to go to the mall and pick up any wipes I know. No, please use non-scented wipes, because the vagina too does not like scent. If you use scented wipes or anything that has scent in your vagina, you can actually cause yourself infection, and nobody should call my name. Please use non-scented wipes. That is what I said. Another thing I'm going to be talking about is changing your pillowcase at least every week. It is just necessary to change your pillowcase every week, especially if you have a sensitive skin or you're acne prone, or you don't even have acne. If you don't change that pillowcase every week at least, trust me when I say acne is just knocking on your door, except God just blessed you with a very nice skin. Even if you don't have acne, you may have reactions, you may have something on your face. I'm just going to show you that, oh, okay, I'm not doing the right thing, right? So please do well to change your pillowcase every week, right? This is very, 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 very important. Very important to change every week. Just like wearing the same clothes every day for a week. I don't know, but yeah, I know it doesn't look like the same thing, but think about it. You place your head on that pillow and then you go into the bathroom, you go about your day, you bathe at least like twice, maybe morning and night, and then you go back to the same pillow and then you lay your face. I don't know, but it just feels somehow to me, right? That's why I change my pillowcases often. I don't even wait for up to a week, but because some people don't have strength for that, so just change it at least every week. Especially if you're trying to treat acne, stop buying expensive skincare products if you can't even do the basics. This is on a side note. You can actually use silk pillowcase. It actually helps with your skin to cause less friction and all of that. Your skin and your hair, basically. So, also, I'm going to talking about your wigs. Girls, you use one wig for up to a year and you have not revamped your wig, and then you say, I don't know, I'm breaking out on my jawline or my forehead. I don't know what is happening to my skin. Just yesterday my skin was clear and I just woke up to break out. You are the cause of your own problem. Go and revamp your wig. I mean, your wig traps in death, it traps in sweat, it traps in all of that. And then tomorrow, Sankechi will just put it on her hair, adjust it very nice, use hot comb, everything, looking nice and fresh. But what you don't know is that wig is touching your face. And then, because the skin is a very, very sensitive area of our entire body, it will definitely, especially if you're acne prone, girl, these are just little things you can just do to prevent all these things from happening, right? You can just use it on your, just revamp your wig, make it look nice. Wash it, put it inside water. Girl, it's gross to wear wig for so long without washing. It's dirty. Like, there's a very nasty attitude. Don't do that. Now, the final thing I'm going to be talking about is applying skincare with dirty hands, especially sunscreen. You may be in school, you may be in the office. Oh my God, they said we should reapply skincare every 2 hours. Then you just pump this sunscreen in your hand and you just rub it on your face without washing your hands, not using anything. If you're in a place where you can't wash your hands, please always carry sanitizers in your bag. Use sanitizer on your hand first, then apply it. Or better still, you can just use a sun stick, which is much better for you to just make use of than using sunscreen. I'll be using dirty hands to apply sunscreen. Just use a sun stick, but please make sure you apply it under your eyes. Make sure the sun stick goes round. Don't just apply it and forget all these corners and cervixes on your face, right? And as a bonus point for people who have stayed here up to this point. I think you should not use the same shaving stick for too long. Aside the fact that it can get blunt and give you micro tears on your skin, it is just not nice, right? So please do well to, not use the same shaving stick for too long. Me personally, I don't even use the same shaving stick twice. Yeah, don't judge me, but that's just how I feel. I just feel like it's already nasty, just straight in the bin, stuff like that. So thank you so much for being on this video with me, you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.